What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make sure to never lose your keys again. Here we go. Today's sponsor. With Bonus VPN, you'll be able to change your region on your Netflix and watch all the shows you want. Check out the link down in the description below. And here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox a tile. Today we're looking at the tile mate and how we can use this to link it to our phone so that we'll be able to find our keys, our wallet, your purse, maybe your missing dog. You never lose anything again as long as you attach one of these to that item slash person. You'll never lose them again. So here we go. Now let's look at the literature, and this will show you how to install it and how to pair it to your phone and to Alexa. This is compatible with Google Assistant as well, so you'll be able to find your keys using your Assistant, Echo Show, or your Google Assistant. So let's go ahead and take one of these. This one is the 2018 version, so you'll be able to take off the battery. It's already pre-installed, so all we need to do is click once the tile button on the front of it, and our phone should be able to recognize it as long as we have the app installed in it. So let's go ahead and take out our phone. Make sure to install the app from the App Store. I'll link that down in the description below. So go ahead and click that. Once you've gone to the App Store and download the app, you can go ahead and sign up using Facebook, or if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and also sign up through your email. To add a device, make sure to identify which device you have. In this case, we have Tile, and then I'm going to press Mate. And then after that, I should be able to sign up and log in, connect this device with our phone. Now that it's all paired, now we can go ahead and tell the app what kind of tile this is. Is it a wallet or a key or purse or whatever? As you could see, one click on the smartphone, it'll ring at the tile mate. Now with the 2 hits on the tile mate, it'll ring your phone. Now, Tile also has a premium per year payment. Basically, what the premium gives you is the smart alerts. Pretty much, it's a proactive alert that notifies you when you left your tile things behind. There's also unlimited sharing, which is allows you to share your tile with as many trusted friends and family members as you like. Location history, it would track all the places your tile has been in the last 30 days, so you can replace your steps. It also has a free battery replacement. Of course, this only works on the 2018 tiles because the newer ones doesn't support that. It also has an automatic free battery replacement for all your tiles with replaceable batteries, so you are always connected. Now that we've set up our tile mate, let's go ahead and put it on our keys. Now let's test out different ringtones that Tile provided us. There's different ringtones that you can try out that is built in within the app. It does take a bit of time to download it, so make sure you're on a Wi-Fi uh, connected area before you download, or else it'll use your data. So let's go ahead and test it out. And there you go. So it's all done. It's pretty quick actually, setup slash unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial or little unboxing of a TileMate. I really like this device, and hopefully I will be able to do more things in the next videos to come on how it helped me on finding my keys and finding my wallet or something like that. If you want to buy one of these, I'll link that down in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. Hit that like button if you like this video. Comment below as well if you're gonna buy one yourself, or maybe you're using something else aside from tile. I'd love to test one out myself one day. Well, I hope you guys have a good day. See you guys next time. Peace out.